This is the wonderful view you see when you take the middle exit if you come from the Catania side. And if you tour in Sicily, rent a small car. You will only have issues driving a big car, and you will get stuck, and then parking also. No one really cares about the wallet size, it is about being smart. Even if Caltagirone's buildings are in Sicilian Baroque style, the town's origins are Arabic, thanks to the colourful ceramic and origins of its name that means the pot castle. 600 meters above sea levels with 35,000 inhabitants, filled with ceramic details everywhere, and you can buy it too. The highlight is of course the Scalinata di Santa Maria del Monte. It's a pure art piece constructed for practical purposes to connect the upper and lower parts of the town, finished 1606. 142 steps walks you through different eras affecting this area. Arab, Norman, Spanish, Baroque, 18th century to the contemporary, to name few eras, and all eras are portrayed by ceramics between the steps. Every year, 24th and 25th of July, everything is decorated by flowers and lights for the feast of the city patron. This tradition goes back to the 1700s. The Ceramic Museum is another highlight, but was closed even if it should be open. Quite a classic in Sicily, and then I heard is quite run down, so maybe it was for the better. Here you find all precious and most important ceramic pieces in history. First architectural realization is from the Norman era, restored and opened as a museum by Sicilian region 1965. Then driving home past some amazing Baroque and ceramic pieces. The town is filled with churches as any Catholic place, but the most beautiful was Chiesa di San Pietro.